Alright, what is up you guys, Jamal here, back at it with another good luck tutorial. This one's gonna be on Keys Cafe. Just joking. You can use Keys Cafe to create a highly customized keyboard. This plugin has an optional permission for storage to use your own images to create stickers. You can still use the app without giving permission for it to use the storage. Your options once you're in the app are to make your own keyboard, which lets you customize the key locations and function keys. Style your own keyboard, which lets you apply various colors and effects to your keyboard. My Sticker, which lets you create and edit custom sticker sets that you can use with Samsung Keyboard. Play Keyboard Game, which is 2 typing practice games to test out your keyboards. And Advanced Keyboard Settings, which lets you customize your keyboard settings in detail. Let's start with Make Your Own Keyboard. So you toggle on to Customize. There are US English keyboards to choose from, and then symbol keyboards. Firstly, the US keyboards. There are 3 different types of keyboard base options to choose from to start customizing, and then you can either apply or edit. And if you press the plus, there are 3 more options which you can either edit or choose whether or not they split on the screen. Once you choose which template to customize, you can choose a variety of letters from an assortment of languages, numbers, symbols, emojis, those symbol faces from before the time of emojis, as well as word and website shortcuts, which you can customize and add your own. Press and hold the character you want and drag it where you'd like it on the keyboard. Drop it back up top if you change your mind about placing it, and tap a place character and then press the trash can to delete. While in the editing menu for a placed character, you can change the width and height of the key, toggle the key between gray or white, edit the space between the margins, lock or unlock the key to prevent or engage editing, and add rows for additional keys above or below. If you press and hold a key, you can tap multiple keys to edit the width, height, and margins all at once with an equalize function. On the top right, there are 3 colorful icons. The blue question mark gives you a tiny visual explanation of the editing process, but I don't think it's very helpful. It was confusing if anything. The green spiral resets the keyboard template, deleting all customizations. The purple checkmark allows you to complete the editing and save it as a new layout or overwrite the current layout. After saving, it will only apply to whatever screen is currently in use. So if you have a slab, you're good, but if you have a folding phone, you'll need to open or close it and apply it on the other screen, or make another layout for the opposite screen. Next, the symbol keyboards. Simple, Math, Chemistry, Math X Chemistry. Editing the symbols keyboard has all the same functionality, although there is an addition of pages in the mix. You can add and subtract pages of symbols as well as rearrange their order of appearance. Next, let's move on to style your own keyboard. Toggle on to Customize. Starting with color, there are a bunch of recommended options to choose from, or you can create your own color theme. If you select Theme, it will ask you to connect to Theme Park. Once you get to the editing part, it displays a mock keyboard with pointers and dotted circles representing the portions you can edit with colors. At the bottom, select the main color on the left and then choose a shade for inspiration. Then tap a dotted circle to choose the color for that area. If you tap the image icon on the keyboard, Mockup, you can select a theme from the theme store in Theme Park, or you can select an image to use as the background for the keyboard. Then on the top right, tap the sun or moon to toggle between night mode and light mode. Tap the image icon or pen to toggle editing. Lastly, tap the download button to complete the process, name your creation, etc. Unfortunately, you can't edit your creation, so make sure you perfected it before hitting install. You can create multiple layouts and also delete any you don't want, so you can always start over if you're not satisfied with what you made. To the effects on the bottom menu, there are keyboard color effects, key color effects, and key motion effects. Tap an effect to turn it on or off. When turned on, they display on the top of the screen, and beside the display is a colorful dial where you can choose 4 different colors for the effects. Lastly, the sound option has 6 sounds to choose from: System Touch Sound, Retro Touch Sound, Calm Touch Sound, Fun Touch Sound, Pink Touch Sound, Space Touch Sound. Moving on to My Sticker. Create and edit custom sticker sets to use on your Samsung keyboard. Click the plus button to scroll through your albums and pictures and select up to 100 images. You can then resize them one by one, select one to be the cover, enter a title, and upload. After that, you'll be able to find your stickers in the keyboard's emoji tab. Play keyboard games. There's no customization here, just 2 games to practice your typing on your newly customized keyboard. The first is Sentence Practice. Type fast to become the best typist. This game gives you a set of words to type out, and backspacing takes away time. Word Rain. Save Sally in crisis by blocking raindrops with typing. This game gives you words as falling raindrops, and you type the word and the raindrop disappears. Lastly is your advanced keyboard settings. These are all toggle options, and the options are to hide .com and /keys while typing URLs. This will make your spacebar bigger and not give you those options of the .com and /keys. Toggle auto replacement sensitivity. So this is autocorrect, and you can toggle it from low, medium to high on how annoying you want it to be. Toggle turn off delete accelerator. You know, like when you're pressing delete and then you press and hold and it's going it's deleting characters one by one, and then all of a sudden it deletes 5 sentences. You can turn that off so that it's just continuously one by one. Toggle double tap interval of 3x4 keyboards. I don't remember what this is, but I'm sure Jamal will jump in and say something.
So a 3x4 keyboard is basically just a T9 keyboard from cell phones back in the day. When you adjust the interval, you're basically adjusting the time that it takes for the keyboard to put in another input into the text box and you cycling through the keys. So as you can see right here, I'm cycling through the different options by pressing this one tile. But if it's a short interval, then it will allow me to input multiple times into the text box. If I increase the interval time, then it will take longer. So I'll go back and do the same thing. And as you can see, even though I'm taking a while to press the button, it's still allowing me to cycle through the different options. So a longer interval means that you have more time to cycle through your options. It takes longer to type. A shorter interval means that it will allow you to spam different characters faster. Hopefully this makes sense.
And lastly is toggle sticker suggestions to a larger view. So this will just display the sticker suggestions bigger. Yeah. That was Keys Cafe, and this was Jamal's wife. Thanks for listening. If you'd like to learn more about other Good Lock plugins, then make sure to come back to the channel because he's doing a series where he goes through them, and perhaps you'll hear my voice again, or perhaps not. Also, subscribe to the channel, like and comment and share, and become a channel member to support what Jamal is doing. Thanks. That's all. Peace.